everyone! Welcome to our DIY potion bottles program. So today I'm going to show you how to make two really cool designed little potion bottles, and then we are going to hot glue a little hoop on the top so that we can make them into little necklaces. And I think we would be best to hot glue these guys in too. So the supplies we will need. I have obviously the little bottles. I have 3 different kinds of paintbrushes, all for the different colors I'm going to use. I have some really cool glitter glue in 2 different colors. And I have my watercolors complete with a little cup of water and a paper towel. So first things first, we are going to take one of these little bottles and we are going to make a galaxy sort of design. So we're going to take our glue first, right? We're going to pick off the stuff at the top. Perfect. And we are going to squeeze a little bit of sparkly glue in here. Oh my gosh, you can tell that I have shaky hands, can't you? So we're going to fill that about 1/4 of the way in. And we are going to, do you guys see it right there? Looks really pretty at the bottom. So we are going to dip our first paintbrush into the water. And then we are going to take a little bit of the blue, not too much. And we are going to go all like this. Do you guys see how I'm doing it all on here like that? And we're going to take a little more of the blue, and we are going to paint it all in here, just like this. Just like this. You guys see how cool it's looking? The glue gives it kind of an extra little deal to it, doesn't it? Okay, so we've got our sparkly glue. We're going to rinse this, and we are going to try to put more blue paint on there. We're going to get the glue off of our, you know what, we're going to try purple. Because I know that I think of purple when I think of pretty galaxies too. So we're going to do a little bit more. We're going to get that a little more wet. We're going to go in there and we're going to make it really pretty and really dark. And I think we might have to put a little bit more glue in there. What do you guys think? This. It's really pretty. Okay, now we're gonna, whoops, I got my stuff stuck. And do more purple. We're gonna make sure that we actually have purple on our brush this time, and it looks like we do. Perfect. So here we go, where it's going to start to come in real thick and real nice. Because we want it to be kind of darker so we can't really see what's inside, so that they look like potions, right? And this one's starting to look pretty cool. Like a pretty cool galaxy. And get a little more blue. Actually, we're going to take this blue because mine seems to be full of glue. We're going to take this blue. Oh, look how pretty that is. And we're going to go right in there. Just like that. And make it look real pretty. Just like that. And I think this guy is almost done because it looks like the glue is just about dried. Everything looks really cool on the inside. What do you guys think of this one? I think it's really pretty. Not bad for a first attempt, huh? So we're going to put that one away. And the next one we are going to make is going to be a little bit of liquid luck. So I have my sparkly gold glue bottle, and we are going to decorate this guy just like some Felix Felicis from Harry Potter. So maybe we'll just use all the glue for this one. Like instead of doing some paint, maybe we'll just glue. don't know if you guys can't see me. There we go. Just like this. So maybe not all, but part. Absolutely. See that? And you know, instead of mixing it, what we're going to do is we are just going to paint around it. So we are going to use our yellow, our very pretty yellow, and we're going to go in like this. And while it doesn't really show up, I think it's going to be a really cool effect. Make some yellow with our watercolors. It's beautiful and sparkly, and I can't wait to see what you guys design. So we're going to keep going like that. And you know what? Now we are going to finish filling it up with glue. And we're going to see how that looks. And maybe we'll do the same with our blue one. We're going to pause it. Okay guys, so we've got our liquid look. That looks kind of goopy right now, but I bet it'll dry just fine. And we've got a cool little galaxy one. I really like how this turned out and how it is turning out. And you can see it kind of has almost a sea glass kind of feel to it. Last but not least, we've got our handy dandy hot glue gun. We are going to take this out. And we're going to kind of go around it with the hot glue, or maybe just right there. And we're going to stick it in here so that way it doesn't fall out. And last but not least, we are going to take a little baby drop, just like that. And being very careful, we are going to take this little jewelry hoop and we're going to put it right here. And when it dries, you guys will be able to wear these like little necklaces, or however you would like, string them up. I bet they would be really pretty if you put Christmas lights in them. But thank you for joining me on DIY potion bottles. Let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you want to keep seeing crafts like this, if you make them yourselves, and we will see you guys next time. All right, have a great day.